It's Saturday, February 7th, 2026, and welcome back to another electric tornado weather update video. So let's jump straight into it. So the first thing I want to talk about is the potential for some upcoming winter storms and the atmospheric river that I have. So let's start off with the atmospheric river that's going on. So we do have an atmospheric river soaking the Pacific Northwest right now, as you can see right here. This is expected to continue, and a potential to cause maybe a few floods, but otherwise I think it's just chances for some snow and stuff. So just be aware for that. And that's what's going on up there in the Pacific Northwest. Then we are expecting some fire weather conditions in parts of western Nebraska and in some of these areas right here. So be aware for that. We have a red flag warning out there currently. Please check on your local National Weather Service to see if that's still in effect. Then we got a special weather statement for northern Georgia, so also check on your National Weather Service to see if this is still in effect. This is for let's see, relative humidities of 25%. So it's just with like the fires can start pretty fast over there. And then there's a bunch of stuff going on over here. There's a chance that we could see some wind, cold temperatures, and maybe some bad air quality if you're anywhere in this area. And then a potential for a few snow showers if you live up here. But that's about it for what's going on right now. So if I check out the winter storm outlook, see, this is going to be the area that's going to be impacted the most. Let me show you guys this area right here. So let me show you. So if you live in this highlighted area up here, be aware for some snow, as well as if you live up here. If we go to tomorrow, be aware for some lake effect snow if you live in here, and some snow if you live in here. So that's what's going on with that. And then, yeah, we have a chance to see some snow up here towards the Pacific Northwest on February 9th. So, yeah, then there's going to be some chances for some snowstorms after in the future. So let's check out the future radar to see what's going on. So right now, the weather is kind of quiet. I mean, yeah, kind of quiet. The weather is expected to get a little bit active, though, as we get more into the future, definitely. So here we are on the GFS future radar. This will show us the storms. So you can see that there's going to be a potential to see some snow up here. Let me see, when is this? Yeah, up here there's going to be a chance to see some snow on February 9th if you live in that area, which we talked about earlier. Just didn't see the future radar yet, though. And then around February 10th, we're going to possibly have this little band of snow come down and then move into parts of the northeast and cause some snow in some of those areas. We could have some moisture, maybe some snow or something develop down here around February 11th to the 12th. And then we could see some snow develop up here on the 12th as well, and maybe some snow right here and in these areas on the 12th. So let's fast forward to even more. February 13th, some chances for some rain. February 14th, there's going to be some chances for some rain over here. February 13th, we could see some snow in the northeast. But if we do go to Valentine's Day on February 14th, there is going to be a chance that we could see some rain, maybe some snow within this area along the plains, back over there down to southern Arkansas possibly, with a low chance to see severe weather, but I can't rule it out. Maybe some snow, most likely with it as well. Fast forward even more. This could turn out to be a little bit significant if it strengthens some more on the models. This is kind of uncertain, so there's a lot of uncertainty around this time, so don't know what's going to happen. Around February 17th, we could have some snow and rain develop around this time in these areas, with a low and severe weather chance around February 18th for this area. I don't think we'll see severe weather, and again, this is far into the future, and none of this can be confirmed. And then we could have another possible snowstorm. This is a little bit too far. This is like way too far in the future to confirm, but this is February 19th, because it could have some snow up here and a potential to see some severe weather and some rain in this area. So that's what's going on with that. And then some snow possible on February 20th to 21st, and then a chance for some more, another possible snowstorm around February 23rd. So that's what the snowstorm outlook is looking like right now with on the radar. But you can see that we have an Arctic blast. It's going to be causing some cold temperatures for a lot of you guys. We had a flash freeze and some pretty high winds. might see this cold temperatures will stick around for a while in the parts of the eastern United States, which does include anyone that's in this area. Will be seeing more cold temperatures likely just for like a few more days. Some warmer temperatures are expected to start coming in and make it starting to feel like spring. So if you do live in any of these areas on February 10th, if you live in these areas on February 10th and 9th, it might feel like spring. It's going to be winter, but it's going to feel like spring because of the warm temperatures that may come in. So yeah, we'll see a little bit of some above average temperatures come in. We'll see occasional things of cold come over here, but otherwise might be it's expected to be above average, and this is what's going to bring the potential for severe weathers because of this warm temperatures. And then this is actually kind of crazy. Around February 21st, there's a potential that we could see a pretty significant Arctic blast, but this is way too far into the future, and we cannot confirm that either. So that's what's going on with our temperature anomaly. So if we check out the CPC outlook, let me show you guys what they're expecting. You can see that we are expecting above average temperatures if you live anywhere in this area in the United States. And then we are expecting normal temperatures if you're on the East Coast and normal temperatures if you're over here. But if you're on the West Coast, you guys are expecting below average temperatures that are expected to start coming in here soon. But it's expected to possibly get a little bit more cold. But hopefully it gets like more warm, and now we'll see this get even warmer than what it is right now. I don't know if you like snow or not, but I don't like cold. Okay, I don't like cold. That's one thing. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. That's all the weather talk I have for you today, and I will see you in the next weather update video. And yeah, this is Electric Tornado, and I'll see you in the next weather forecast. Bye.